Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeff. I happen to be a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. We're going to take a look at a couple of articles that can help or should help your cord cutting once and for all. Let's take a Hi guys, I am back. Thank you so much for tuning in to this short video. I sometimes, to get right into the video, first off, I appreciate everyone coming to the Stream Machines YouTube channel. We are the Stream Machines YouTube channel. We take the difficult things of streaming and help you the best we can, one video at a time. I like going to Cord Cutting News. They have so much information, and I thought I'd share a couple of articles that could be interesting. And then we'll continue to build upon that with the next video going over a review of an older Formula box called the CC, the cord cutter. Let's jump right into the video. I'm going to go right to their website and we're going to take a look at a couple of articles. I'm on my device, the Formula Z11 Pro Max, and I go to Zeus TV browser and we are here, Cord Cutting News. The first one is about Cord Cutting 2.0. All right, Cord Cutting 2.0 is real simple. I'm part of the 1.0, but Cord Cutting 2.0 includes people my age and people just a little bit younger than that who are really getting tired and want better solutions for their entertainment. And it says here, now, if you own Spectrum or even Comcast or Spectrum, it says Cord Cutting 2.0 is hitting Comcast and Spectrum hard as cable TV internet market drops to 45%. Now, if you didn't know, cable TV and cable TV internet, big distinction. We know what that means. If you're my age, you're used to having cable TV. All right, you're used to having, the one receiver in one room that ran one TV, and you would have other rooms and all that. But the cable TV company pumped out or gave you your entertainment options, which at the time we thought were good. But as more entertainment came, they really pigeonholed you to buy the top tier package when you didn't even use 45% of those channels. Now, the biggest thing at the end of last year was cable TV internet. So now I don't use my cable TV platform for my TV entertainment. I just use my internet provider is Cox Communications. I use Cox Communications not for their cable TV, but more or less, I use it for their cable internet. And this is a significant drop to 45%. That's almost 50% of their customers around the globe have dropped 45%. So let's take a look at why, because I use one of these things. It says Cord Cutting 2.0 is the movement that is seeing Americans ditch their cable TV internet services from companies like Comcast and Spectrum for other options like fiber and 5G home internet. Recently, we surveyed more than 1,000 of our readers about what internet service they use. Only 45% of them, out of the 1,000, use internet from a cable TV company. That is down from 51.7% at the end of 2023. 51.7% used to get it from the cable TV company. Now you're getting it from Verizon, T-Mobile, or any other options. Cellular internet is the new internet. It's a buzz. I happen to have a Verizon router here in my shop, right here in the dungeon, and it runs right. I'm using it right now on this device, and it costs me $35 a month for unlimited internet. $35 a month, hands down. It says this comes as fiber and 5G home internet service like Verizon, T-Mobile, have seen strong growth with cord cutters. Fiber now accounts for 29% of cord cutters, up to 25.5% at the end of 2023. 5G home internet also saw growth of 12.8%, which is up almost 8.5% from 2023. Some of their readers report that they're still using DSL. Man, they must be in a very rural area, woodsy area, where they're still using, DSL, because the fiber internet or the cable internet hasn't come out there yet. I'm sure if that came out there, that would kill the DSL company, and they wouldn't have to use that slow internet. Increasingly, it seems that cord cutters are taking advantage of the new options of home internet. Fiber and 5G home internet both have seen strong growth, and as have other options. Now the question is, how long will this trend work? Well, I've had this for over a year and a half, and I really like it because if let's say, for instance, my main cable internet provider, Cox Communications, goes down for any reason, I now have a Verizon backup. So since we work from home or we like our entertainment, having that inexpensive backup works for me. But if you're someone like, Spectrum or Comcast, I would be quite nervous if only 1,000 were pulled and 45% of them left your company's internet for something else. So not only are you losing on the cable TV side, but now you're losing on the other side as well, on the internet side. So what is someone supposed to do? I don't know. Stay tuned. We're going to find out towards the end of this year. Hey, I'm going to go ahead and close out this quick video. I've been wanting to make it for a little bit now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey, as we get closer to end of October, November, and December, I'm going to use this time to make available several little videos. You're going to see them in the end of some of the videos about some of the options for, Black Friday. If you're going to give the gift, I think you should give the gift of TV. It's probably the most inexpensive but best gift that you can give someone, because everyone will use it. And we have some really great devices that I'll give you options to, and a free giveaway to go into by November 15th. So it's going to be the Formula Special Edition Z11 Pro Max. I'll be giving away that for free. So stay tuned until after this next video. There's going to be instructions. You're going to see the links. Start sharing these links with those that you want to give a Christmas present to or give suggestions to. And we're making deals. Black Friday is right now. So don't keep us a secret. Text us at the number, the 800 number or the 858 number, and someone will get back to you. We'll see you.